Canvas allows you to set an image that will represent your course on the student's dashboard. It's very easy to set, and we do it in the settings. So let's do it together. You can see here that I'm on my dashboard, and I only have one course, a sandbox course, but there is no graphic. Right now it just has a color overlay. In order to change the graphic or add a graphic, we're going to go ahead and click into the course. And then on the left menu here, we're going to scroll down to where it says Settings. Okay, so click on Settings. The very first option that we have is to choose an image. So go ahead and click Choose Image. Now there's two options here. One, we can choose to upload an image that we've already created from our computer, or we can click over to Unsplash, which allows us to search for a public domain image. For example, if I want to choose one for math, I might choose the word math and choose an image. We're going to upload one from our computer. So go ahead and click on Upload Image. And that's going to open up this dialog box. So you'll find the image wherever you've created it on your computer. Now, a good source for creating images is actually a website called Canva.com, and that's like Canvas without the S. And here you're able to create a free account. Educators can even get an upgraded account, and it'll allow you to create high professional images with templates that they provide. The Canvas image, go ahead and click that. Course image uses a 16:9 ratio. So a resolution of, say, 400 to 250, 400 pixels wide and 250 pixels high would work very well. Once we've gone ahead and set that, I'm going to go ahead and scroll down, click Update Course Details, and now it's saved. Let's just go ahead and check it by clicking on Dashboard. And here you can see our course now has a course image. So in this video, we've looked at how to set the course image for our courses on this dashboard. Cheers.